Hey guys, Combat Kitty here, and I haven't been uploading lately, and well, that's pretty true. And just want to say, my iPod, it's pretty corrupt and messed up. So my tablet right here in my hand, and this iPod doesn't have a back cam. This does. So I'm just gonna make combat kitten. Yeah, I'll make a channel called Combat Kitten, and I'll make it on my tablet to make things a lot easier because battery consumption on iPods sucks compared to this stuff. It's less prefer. I just want to do that. Right now I'm up on the stairs. Got something to show you guys that I meant to show you a long time ago, but everything was messed up. So if we go into the bathroom, they got out of their pen again. Kittens. That's why I'm going to call this next channel Combat Kitten. They're like young thugs, bro. Like, they're supposed to be in there, and they just hop the wall and come over here. Like, really, bro? So, yeah. They're feeding on Combat Kitty. Oh, young thug. Running into the bidet. Oh, wait, where's he going? I just got out of the bath. Bonnet. Ooh. So, yeah. And, yeah, so I'll make that. And, well, gotta leave these Combat Kittens to themselves. Make sure Mom can get out if she wants to. Go, years ago, Mama Kitty Boo. Bonnet. I have this song stuck in my head. Well, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with the rest of this video. I'm sitting here scratching my back on this chair. Maybe I'll do a Minecraft Let's Play right now. No, that stuff's like 5 years ago. It's like 2 years ago, bro. What the heck are you talking about? I'm not sure. I'll probably just end it right here. But yeah, I'll post this. And by that time, I'll probably have Combat Kitten made. Work. Peace.